So let's unboxing a Samsung Galaxy F05, newly launched by Samsung. I'll show you the how to set up this device for first time and check the camera and some new feature as well. So keep watching. So this phone not come with adapter, it's only have a data cable. Let's check the SIM slot, how many SIM you able to enter. Yeah, it's come with 2 physical SIM and on SD card as well. And you able to add 3.5 mm headphone and type C headphone as well. So it's a good thing. Now let's set up my phone. You have to select your country. I am selecting your country. Press on start and press on agree. And the main part is, if you want to transfer from your old Galaxy or Samsung phone, so you have to select first option. And if you want to transfer data from your iPhone or iOS device, so you have to select the middle one. And if you don't want to transfer anything, just select setup manually. So I'm selecting setup manually in this case. And if you have Wi-Fi, you can connect it. If your Wi-Fi is connected, and then your date and time zone is automatically saved. Press on agree. Now set a pattern or face ID, anything. Now my phone is almost done. Yeah, its a refresh rate looks good. Open the camera. So I'll give you the camera review later, so keep staying with my channel. And from video it's have 60 fps and have a slow motion as well, panorama, pro and a slow motion. Let's check slow motion. Yeah, it looks good. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any query, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.